the last 18 months have been a very unique, it's been challenging, immensely challenging for every sector. I think it's been specifically challenging in a unique way for the life science sector, because a lot of money flew out of retail and aviation and automotive and all the other industries that essentially have been shut down over the last 18 months. And that has meant that investors have put a vast amount of money into the life science sector. So that has meant that the amount of companies receiving investment, that then means that they're announcing their investment, that then means that they have the money to then have collaborations or launch a new clinical trial, and that then means that those announcements have still continued, and it's provided while the other industries within the last 18 months have really shut down through the COVID pandemic, the life science industry really has had the opposite effect, and that's really brought it on. I think that now that has been a perfect storm for communications people, in the sense that you have a lot of journalists working from home, and same as us, trying to look after children and homeschool children. But now that's now starting to change. People are going back to the office. People are now coming to events such as Terrapin's Advanced Therapies Congress today, and that then means that people are then able to move on and start to communicate again. One thing that online events, and I've almost everyone must agree with me now that online events are very, very 2021. The idea of being able to communicate and to be able to speak to people face to face and to be able to network and develop those collaborations is something that very few people have had the opportunity to do over the last 18 months. And events like these now, I think you're going to see a lot of attendance over the next 2 years for people essentially to try to catch up, to meet, to start to discuss collaborations within these kind of spaces, and that networking element is something that's been vitally missed over the last 18 months.